Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In the video today, I'm going to show you how I repair my broken leather jacket into absolutely new jacket. I found a lot of crack and mold on my favorite faux leather jacket. I had this faux leather jacket for years. I love it more than any other jacket. But over the years, one small faux leather began to deteriorate. Then I figured why not try to repair it. And after all, I got a new jacket. Now, let's see the process that I did it. First, we need to remove all false leather off the jacket. I suggest using a small hard tool to remove them. This step is done quite quickly. Look at this, the jacket was cleaned. I think it's better at first. Moving on to second step. I picked up this fabric with silver details on it. Actually, I don't know how to call exactly the name of the material, but it's really nice and not too thick. I already drawn and cut the pattern by folding the jacket. And from there I cut the fabric. Now it's time to pin two front panels on the front of the jacket. I'm going to fold the edge of fabric, pin it into the jacket and sew it around, including bottom, side, armhole, shoulder, neck, to keep it in the jacket. Do the same way with the other front. Then turn the back side of the jacket. I also pin back panel on it and sew around. Moving on to sleeve, I'm going to sew the side together and put it in the sleeve of the jacket. First, I'm going to fold the edge of fabric inside, pin it at the end and sew them together. Next, I'm going to fold fabric as well, pin it at the top of sleeve and sew them together. Make sure to sew down the whole arm. Do the same way with the other hand, then moving on to the wrong side of the jacket. I already pinned 3 panels on the wrong side. Now sew them together. After that's all done, I'm going to cover the button line by the same fabric, which is 5 cm width. Aligning it on the jacket and sew them together. Next, fold it double tie in the wrong side and sew it. Last step, stitching each panel on its sleeve at the wrong side of the jacket. Sew in the side together first, then pin it into sleeve and sew around. Here is the final result. Now we have a new jacket. Hope you enjoy my tip and see you next week. Bye!